Hi everyone, my name is Precious Chiminya. I'm going to perform many in the media attacks using Ettercap Tool. Ettercap Tool is a free open source tool that can be used for many in the media attacks on networks. It features sniffing of live connections, content filtering on the fly, and many other interesting tricks. So I have opened Kali Linux and Metasploitable 2 as the target machine. So to perform man in the media attack, we are going to use address resolution protocol poisoning or spoofing. We will use the DVWA website on the Metasploitable 2 machine as the target. I now want to log in on Kali Linux. We use the username and password root. I go to Metasploitable 2, I log in. Yes. Okay, I say ifconfig. I want to see the IP address of the target machine, which is 192.168.33.135. This is the IP address of the Metasploitable 2. Go to Kali Linux on the root terminal emulator. I want to establish IP forwarding using the echo1 command. Before I paste the echo1 command, first of all, I want to check if it's active. So I use the cat command. To check if the IP forwarding command is active. If it gives me the value of 1, it means it is active, but it gives me the value of 0, which means it's inactive. So I have to activate the command. Paste echo 1. I now have to check if it's now active using the same command. Cat it's now active. So I now want to enter the command Ettercap to open the graphical user interface version for Ettercap. Now it's open with 80. I click accept. Now showing sniffing has started. I click on the 3 dots on the far right corner of the, let me check something, okay, of the Ettercap application. I go on hosts, scan the hosts. We have 4 hosts added on the network. host list. Those are the 4 hosts with their IP address and MAC address. So I can see the first host. I take it and edit it as the target. The second one is the IP address from the Metasploitable tool. We go to the menu. I add ARP poisoning. I initiate the poisoning. Now those are the 2 victims, group 1 and group 2. Go to the website. I enter the IP address for Metasploitable tool. I now want to use the DVWA website. It's giving me an option to log in. I go back to the root terminal emulator. Enter a code to see if the recording has started. Yeah, it's now listening. So everything I'm going to do on the website is going to be recorded, both on the Ettercap application and the root terminal emulator. So I have to log in on the website. Username is admin. Then password is password. So all these are the options I have. All the activities that I can do on the website and all the actions performed on the website and its associated links would then be recorded on the Linux root terminal emulator as well as the Ettercap application. I am performing all these various actions. So the URL, that is Uniform Resource Locator, IP addresses of the website are visited, which I visited are all shown on Linux root terminal emulator, as well as the Ettercap application. All those IP addresses, the logins, the username, the password, or the activity going on the website is being recorded also the Ettercap application showing the usernames and passwords. So I want to show the connection, the activity view details. So here we have the source of the MAC address and the destination. We also have the status of the port, whether it's opening, closed, idle, or queued, and many more other details are shown here. So all those IRPs poisoning plugin, we are targeting the opened ports. We are interested in the open ports. So those are the list of attacks that I can choose DOS attacks. Right. Plugin, load the plugin. I choose any type of attack that I want to execute. Another attack is already ordered, the dummy. Or we are only interested in the open ports. Ports 8. Can also perform port stealing, initiate the port stealing. It has started down there, port stealing. Here is all the information and a number of attacks which we can do. We can redirect the message. Redirect the message. We enter the MAC address. I have stopped the many in the middle attacks. Thank you. This marks the end of my presentation.